This video will cover the Klaviyo tracking codes, also known as Pixel. So it's a small snippet code that you are installing on your website. It's very easy to do, and the good news, you need to do it only once and it will work for life of your account. So what exactly those codes do for your account? First, they are tracking the website visitor behavior, what web pages they visited, what product they see. And based on those tracking pixels, you are able to trigger different automations like browser abandoned, added to cart, checkout started, and so forth. So now let's go to my Klaviyo account and I'll show you how you can do it in your account.
So first code is called onsite tracking. If you use platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and so forth, those codes will be installed automatically when you integrate your e-commerce platform with Klaviyo. So this is a great getting started with Klaviyo on-site tracking. And that tracking code will do two things: active on-site and view product. Meaning when people are checking some of your products, they will be triggering this metric, which you can use to create browser abandonment. Or active on site, you can create different automations if they visit the specific pages. So as you can see here, all those platforms, they will be added automatically to your site when you integrate your Klaviyo account with any of those platforms. However, in case you want to check if your tool is working, if you have this on-site tracking active or not, the first thing you can do is to go to metrics. I mean, there's another thing that they showing here, but you just do, you see active on site, click open this. And as you can see, our active on site is active because the line is not straight. If it's not active, it will be straight line and you need to add that code either manually or reinstall. How to add it manually? Here's a script that you need to add to your website. And one thing you just need to change in this code is the public IPA. How to find the public IPA? Go to Klaviyo, click on the bottom left corner, then click on settings, and then click on IPI keys in here in this menu. And then copy this public IPI key.